Did you know that just one failed server can bring down an entire city's surveillance system? This isn't an exaggeration, it's a real threat security teams face every single day. In this video, we'll introduce you to ACTi's latest solution, System Health Management, a powerful platform that redefines how you safeguard your critical systems. First, let's talk about monitoring the health of NVR3 servers, CMS servers, TV wall servers, and cameras. ACTi's solution provides real-time monitoring for all these essential components. Whether you're in a city's traffic control center, a university IT room, or a factory operations center, you can check system status instantly from the dashboard, preventing failures before they happen. Second, whenever an issue is detected, the system automatically sends an email notification to designated personnel. This is especially useful for education security teams or factory EHS departments to react promptly and minimize system downtime. Third, graphical reports and charts allow administrators to easily visualize system status trends. Whether at a library data center or a factory control room, these insights help plan maintenance and allocate budgets more effectively. Fourth, each managed server, be it NVR, CMS, or TV wall, requires a license key. This licensing model ensures that each device is individually protected, reducing the risk of unmanaged assets. Fifth, the system requires a health monitoring plugin to be installed on each target server. This ensures that each server in a school, city facility, or factory is independently monitored and can be quickly diagnosed in case of failure. Sixth, at the heart of the solution is the System Health Management Server, which connects to all monitored servers over the network. From a single entry point, whether in a municipal data center or an IT control room, you can centrally manage the health of all your security infrastructure. Now, why is ACTi's System Health Management the smartest choice for system integrators and end users? First, it covers all the key needs: real-time monitoring, alert notifications, visual reports, licensing control, plug-in deployment, and central management. Compared to global brands like Axis, ACTi offers all these features at 30 to 50% less cost, without needing to purchase additional modules or pay annual maintenance fees. For system integrators, this means high profit margins, low technical complexity, and high client retention. Whether it's a school needing stable surveillance, a factory monitoring server uptime, or a city aiming for unified video control, ACTi delivers exactly what's needed. This is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. If you're looking for a reliable, full-featured, and cost-effective health monitoring platform, ACTi's System Health Management is the one. Contact us today and launch a new era of smart surveillance. Don't wait for systems to fail, upgrade now.